Meaning of factionalism.
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 Factionalism. Factionalism refers to the practice of forming or maintaining exclusive and divided groups within an organization, often based on personal interests or beliefs. This can lead to internal conflicts and hinder the organization's ability to function effectively. The result of factionalism can include decreased productivity, a lack of cooperation among members, and an environment that is conducive to backstabbing and other forms of unethical behavior. Ultimately, factionalism can undermine the goals and mission of the organization, making it difficult to achieve sustained success.